I love this recipe because it doesn't require any fancy pastry steps. It's only a few ingredients and fulfills that comfort food craving. For this recipe, I'm using chicken, store-bought pie crust, cream of chicken, and a can of veg-all mixed vegetables. First, add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan on medium-high heat and cook your chicken until it's lightly brown. We're going to season that with salt and pepper to taste. This recipe is really versatile though, in that you could also use shredded rotisserie chicken or even leftover turkey after Thanksgiving if you wanted to. Once the chicken is cooked through, we're going to add the cream of chicken and water. When that is mixed and well incorporated, we'll add our veg-all mix. We don't want to break the vegetables apart, so we add the mixed vegetables at the end. Now for our pie crust. To prepare your crust, add 1 layer to the dish and work it around the edge to cover all of the sides well. This recipe fits perfectly in a 2-quart oven-safe dish. Mine is a 9-inch round deep dish. Next, take a fork and poke your crust along the bottom and sides to create little air pockets for steam to escape. Now I'm going to take this delicious chicken pot pie mixture and pour it over my prepared bottom crust. Then we add our top crust. Fold the excess crust to create your edge and crimp. We're going to use a fork again and go across the top as well as the edges of the crust to ensure a really even bake. When that is ready, I suggest placing it on a baking sheet to prevent it from bubbling over and onto the bottom of your oven. Place it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour until golden brown. And that is the easiest chicken pot pie you will ever make. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.